Hey everybody, J.R. Fisher here. I want to ask you the question. Here's the question. Is SEO dead? Search engine optimization. Now let's look at that for a second. Is search engine optimization dead? Well, first off, what is it? What is search engine optimization? You know, in the past few years, I've had a lot of people saying, well, search engine optimization, that doesn't work anymore. You don't do search engine optimization. You've got to run ads. You got to do social media. You got to do all these other things. And while that may be true, you still have to do search engine optimization. But what is search engine optimization? Basically, it is allowing Google or Yahoo or whatever search engine that somebody's using to find your pages. And if you do not do SEO on your pages, you won't get found. Now, is it easy to do, or is it easy to get on the first page? No, but it's still necessary, because if you don't do it, if you don't have your title tag in there, like this, having your title tag in there, and if you don't have your description in here like this, then nobody's going to be able to find you. Google can't bring back search results of pages that don't identify themselves. So you still have to do it. It's kind of like saying, is power steering dead in cars now because they have so many other gadgets? No, it's still necessary to have power steering. It's still necessary to have every advancement that comes along. So what you had to do for your web pages, what you had to do for your website years ago, you still got to do that now, and you got to do more. So it's more work. But the cool thing is, a lot of people are forgetting this. A lot of people aren't doing SEO anymore, and they're losing their rankings. They're losing their position on the internet. So it makes it a whole lot easier for you. It's simple. Put in your title tags, put in your descriptions, and you'll get found on the internet, and SEO is not dead. If you enjoyed this video, please feel free to share it with a friend, share it on your timeline, share it wherever you want to share it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like my video, and I love your comments. If you have questions, or if there's a subject you want to see videos made on, please comment below and let me know. Thank you.